Don DeFlavis Construction, LLC. We're here at a residence that we just got done remodeling. Actually, we're not quite finished. We're real close. This is in Bears Paw Country Club in Naples, city of Naples, Florida. So we did a pretty extensive remodel of this apartment here. I'll give you a little overview of what we've done. There was a wall going across here and back there, and that back area over here was a porch. So we leveled the floor, took out the entire concrete wall and the glass doors, and then there was a wall here closing in this whole kitchen. So we've opened all this up to create a nice large island, a shaker style kitchen. It's actually kind of a modified profile on the doors, not a straight shaker, but a nice little profile. Then it's got the two-tone, separate grayer color on the island here. Very nice countertop. The owners have it decorated real nice. We also did this little bar area over here and painted, crown molding, baseboards, and all new flooring was done throughout. Custom light fixture here and custom light fixture up above the island. So another project. I'm really proud of my team. Don DeFlavis Construction, LLC. And we have a webpage, www.dondeflavis.com.